For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a used clothes business can be both profitable and environmentally conscious. With the rising popularity of thrift fashion and sustainability, reselling secondhand clothing is now more relevant than ever. Today, you can take advantage of free artificial intelligence tools to research, plan, brand, market, and operate a used clothing business with little to no startup capital. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to start a used clothes business using free AI. Step 1. Define your business model and niche. First, you must decide the structure and scope of your business. Will you focus on vintage clothing, children's wear, designer brands, or everyday, affordable clothes? Will you sell online, at flea markets, or open a small thrift store? To explore these options, use ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, for idea generation. This tool helps clarify your business model. You can prompt it with, act as a business advisor and suggest 3 profitable niches for a used clothing business in your location. After choosing a niche, you can deepen your understanding with, explain the pros and cons of selling used designer clothes online versus in person. Step 2. Create a business plan. Once your niche is set, draft a business plan. AI tools like ChatGPT can write the plan for you based on your input. A business plan includes market analysis, financial planning, sourcing strategies, and marketing tactics. Use this prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a used clothing resale business focused on vintage fashion for women in their 20s, selling through Instagram and Etsy. You can adjust the niche and platforms as needed. This document will guide your decisions and help if you later seek funding or partners. Step 3. Conduct market research. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT to gather data about trends, competitors, and pricing strategies. You can prompt, research current trends in the used clothing market in the United States and provide popular selling platforms. You can also use the free version of Perplexity.ai to quickly find summarized insights and statistics. Type, what are the top consumer preferences in secondhand fashion in 2025? This information helps you choose inventory types and price points that match your target audience. Step 4. Find and source inventory. Decide how you will acquire your stock. Sourcing can be done through donations, thrift store flipping, estate sales, or partnerships with wholesalers of secondhand clothing. To identify the best sourcing strategies, prompt ChatGPT with, list cost-effective ways to source quality used clothes for resale, including any online wholesale directories. For organizing inventory data, use Google Sheets with built-in AI suggestions to categorize and price items. You can even ask, create a spreadsheet template to track used clothing inventory with columns for item description, source, cost, and resale price. Step 5. Brand your business. Branding includes your business name, logo, and overall visual identity. Use Loca, free version, or Canva to design a simple logo. For naming ideas, use ChatGPT with this prompt. Suggest 10 brand name ideas for a used clothes business targeting eco-conscious millennials. Then go to Canva to design a basic logo and Instagram graphics. Canva's AI Magic Design can suggest layouts and styles based on your business type. Step 6. Build an online presence. Start with free platforms such as Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, and Etsy. Use AI to write your bio, captions, and product descriptions. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, write an Instagram bio and first 5 captions for a thrift fashion page selling vintage streetwear. Also, you can ask, create SEO-optimized Etsy product titles and descriptions for women's retro jackets. If you want to set up a free website, try Google Sites or Cardi.co. Use ChatGPT to write your homepage content and FAQs. Step 7. Create a marketing plan. Marketing is essential for getting traffic and building loyal customers. Use ChatGPT to generate a full marketing plan with this prompt. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a used clothing business selling online and through Instagram. Ask it to include organic content ideas, posting schedules, and collaborations with micro-influencers. To generate actual content, try tools like Simplified or Canva's AI-powered content planner. You can even prompt ChatGPT with, write 10 creative TikTok video ideas to promote a thrift clothing brand. Step 8. Price your items strategically. Use AI to research average prices and help you set competitive rates. Prompt ChatGPT with, what are typical resale price ranges for used Levi's jeans in good condition on platforms like Poshmark and eBay? You can also ask it to create a pricing formula. For example, create a pricing formula that considers cost of acquisition, platform fees, and desired profit margin. This will help you stay profitable while keeping prices fair for your customers. Step 9. Handle operations and customer service. Organize daily tasks with free AI tools like Notion or Trello. Use ChatGPT to build a daily workflow with this prompt. Create a daily checklist for running a small used clothing reselling business with 50+ items in inventory. For customer service, you can draft template responses to common questions. Prompt ChatGPT with, write professional responses to FAQs such as shipping times, return policies, and size questions for a used clothing store. Save these templates to respond quickly across all platforms. Step 10. Monitor performance and scale. Once you're selling consistently, use analytics tools available on Instagram, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. To interpret the data and improve, prompt ChatGPT with, analyze the following Etsy store data and suggest 3 ways to improve visibility and conversion rates. Insert your metrics. You can also use ChatGPT to create reports or suggest next steps. For example, I've sold 100 items in 2 months with average profit per item of $12. How can I scale my used clothing business to $2,000 per month? It can help you brainstorm ideas such as bundle offers, upselling strategies, and repeat customer retention techniques. Conclusion. Starting a used clothes business doesn't require a large budget when you harness free AI tools to do the heavy lifting. From naming and branding to sourcing, marketing, and scaling, each phase can be guided or completed by intelligent, no-cost platforms. With creativity, consistency, and a commitment to learning, you can turn discarded fashion into a thriving resale venture, powered by AI and your own entrepreneurial drive. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.